A client called me to tell me how he's experiencing water droplets and how messy it has been in his house. So I had to come around to check. All to discover that the AC has trapped a whole lot of dirt. The AC is just generally dirty, that's what I mean. So it's been a year now and I installed the AC for him. And this is what I discovered. If you look the body thoroughly, you see some water droplets. Even the evaporator, you see that it has actually been dirty. So we need to discouple the system just to have access to the inside. You can see how dirty the system is. We need to discouple it up for you to see the inside or have access to the inside. But before we do that, we need to cover up this lid just to protect it from sand, stone, or any kind of debris. So that's just it. That's what we are here to do now. As it is, we have started discoupling the system. So I just had to do that gradually. Can you see how it is? We have to wash all of that to make sure it comes to normal. This is the nut we need to open, not that. So it's something I always have handy. Understand? I always have handy with me. It's not something that takes a whole lot. Just few minutes we are done with this. I like using tools to work, and I like buying tools, machines, and the rest of it. So with this, I'm very good with what I'm doing. So as it stands now, we are discoupling the whole system, and the system will come to normal. So just if you are seeing my video for the first time, you click the follow button, click the subscribe button, because I will keep on updating you with any AC related matters, any mini split unit related matters. And also ask any question you are experiencing in your air condition, because if you don't follow me up, if you don't subscribe to my channel, you may not likely see my videos. Understand? You may not likely see my videos again. So you have to subscribe to my channel so you see my video. Probably your air condition may be having different issue that you might have called technician to sort it up, but they are unable to set it up. So as it stands, write me on my comments, ask me questions. I can even give you a solution that you can do by your own self and get it settled. So that's why I'm here. That's the reason why I'm here. Sometimes I do free service. If you are within my environment, I do free service for you. I don't charge. Let it be that I have been able to impute happiness and joy into you, understand? And that is my move. That is my whole lot of joy. So I will discouple the system. I just have to run you through the step-by-step tips on how to get this settled. So it's as easy as what you are just seeing. It's nothing quite too much. Just this. I'll have to be fast as possible as I could be, or not to make the video to be boring. Just want to make it very snappy. And I always tell my apprentice to try to be very careful with what he's doing so he will not get anything damaged. But don't worry, we are good. Now we are done with that. It's just the next is to remove the internal fan blade. Removing the internal fan blade, he was scared, but I just have to cheer him up, let him do it, understand? I'm by him, and he doesn't have to be afraid of anything. Just a click. That was done. We have to drag it up, unlock the nuts to get it free up, unlock the nut from this angle to get it freed up, then we drag it up. That's what. That is just it. I have settled a whole lot of AC related problems. I do other things also, but mainly AC, air condition. That's how we do it. Drag it out. It doesn't take much. It's what we are born to do. So we do it with pride. So that's just that for that. So the next step you are seeing from here now, I just want to wrap up the video so it doesn't get boring. The next step you are seeing from here is where we'll be washing the system step by step, washing the fan, washing the condenser, washing the evaporator, washing the nets, and also the body casing of the system. That's what you are seeing here now. You are trying to set up the machine, understand? Machine gets work easier. Machine does the work very easy, understand? I will have to show you that. Yeah, this me in person. I'm doing the job, what I'm being trained for. It's funny though. You know, once you know something, once you know how to do some certain things, it becomes very easy for you, and it happens with a less stress. So this is the internal fan blade. We have to brush this up with the pressure washer. This pressure washer, I got it very cheap. I got it very cheap from online, from Facebook per se, and it came to my doorstep. But you have to be very careful when you buy something from online, understand? You have to be very, very careful. So I had to impute all level of carefulness, all level of prudency, just to get this machine to myself. I bought it at the rate of 75,000. It was as cheap as that. So because I like working with tools, and I'm very good with what I do, so I try to make my work very easy and cheap for me. I can charge you a whole lot of money to do something for you, but for the fact that I have my tools handy, it makes my job very easy. And you may think I did not actually do anything. That's how it is. So I will have to wash the condenser. I'll have to go to the condenser, show you how we do that. Can you see? It's washing it very clean and neat. Next is the evaporator from the outdoor system, and after this is done, can you see how neat it is becoming? After this is done, I have to go to the body case just to make sure that you see how everything is being done. Everything is done very handy, very swift and handy. And after the whole this, I will just pause up the video, then to continue it after we are done with all the cleanup. Get it? This is when we are done with the cleanup. This is when we are done with the cleanup. Can you see how neat it is? Can you see how neat the system has become? So your AC is now looking as if you are buying a brand new air condition. So with this now, I can give you a guarantee that you use it for another 1 year, 1 full year, another 12 months before you think of servicing the system all over again. So that's just it. I will have to couple it up. Yeah, we are done with the couple up. We are done with the couple up. So as it stands is to install it. Once we are done installing the system, we have to test run it and make sure that everything goes well. So this is how neat it has become. Always patronize our service. Keep in touch with us. We work everywhere in Nigeria. As long as Nigeria is concerned, we work everywhere. All the 36 states plus FCT in Nigeria, we work through. So this is a neat job. Can you see how neat it is? Compare this to what you got at the beginning of the video. You'll know that there is a very big difference. So we are always ready for job. We are always ready for service. Thank you.